Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to turn on vibrations on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to turn on the vibrations on your iPhone, first you'll be required to go to the settings of your iPhone. So let's open it. And after opening it, guys, before we proceed, you need to know a thing, that is Apple prefers to call the vibration as haptics. So over here, just below the notifications, you can see the sounds and haptics option available for us. Simply tap on that sounds and haptics first, which means the vibrations, and you will be able to customize your vibrations, all of it from over here. Just scroll down and you can see there is the play haptics in silent mode, in ring mode, with all of these options available. Basically, first I'm guiding you through the call vibration. So if you want the vibrations to be enabled on your ring mode or as well as your silent mode, you can turn these on if off, and then you will start to get your vibrations. And if you want to get some vibrations while you use some functions of your iPhone, you can see the system haptics, guys. Turn it on and vibrations on certain functions of your iPhone will be available. Similarly, guys, you can see all these incoming notifications options available for us, from ringtone to reminder alerts. If you want the vibration to be available in there, you can just go inside, and the vibration you can see at the top of the screen or the top of the list. There is the vibration option available over here. Currently it's none. You can choose any vibrations you like. So let's go back. It's available from new mail to ringtone. You can choose your vibration, guys. You can currently see the accent is the vibration available for here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you turn on the vibrations on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.